Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can stream Netflix in Discord without any black error issues. So you have to click on this three dot icon in your Chrome browser, then go to settings, and right here hardware, this one, use hardware acceleration, this should be off. Okay, and this and relaunch your application like this. Okay, after that hold on some seconds. Okay, now choose the voice channel and click on share your screen, then Chrome tab. Like I don't have any Netflix subscription, but if you have, you can stream from here. Okay, you can see here Chrome, Netflix Bangladesh, then you can stream from here. If something stream here, it will automatically shown here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can stream Netflix in Discord without black screen issues. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.